in the bowl around Texas. I did hear you keying that time around. Good evening time. I hope all is well on your end.
Ground plane, hello.
Super Bowl 26, Super Bowl 26, number 10 of the James Boys, Bullet on the west side, said have a good day, I'll see ya.
Hey, Super Bowl 26, you got...
Hello, softball man. Hello, softball man, I did hear your key. What's going on, softball man? I'm right back. I'm doing softball, man. I'm out here just trying to be shy and quiet. That's all. I just ease in here, see what's going on. Hello, softball man. Bullet around San Fran's right back. Bye. Super Bowl 26 in the Dome. Have a good day. I'll see ya. Bye, doorknob. See you down there around Manchester, Tennessee, doorknob. Maybe if we're lucky, 919 will be living down there by then, but I don't know. He said he ain't had the greatest of luck right about now about selling his house. I guess it just ain't that time right now, Roger.
Hey, Super Bowl 26, you got Ratchet, Northern Cal, working this ground plane, hello.
Working that ground plane, 445 Radio Man waving.
All right, doorknob, have a great day. We'll see what happens with Mother Nature, doorknob. Have a good day. I'll see ya.
Hello out there, Ratchet, 445 Radio Man waving. We're going to get out of Bullet Bob's way. We just want to wave at you, Ratchet. Round from Northern Cal, 445 gone.
Bye, 445. I heard you key, Ratchet. You're talking to my neighbor down here. 445. Have a great day. I'll see you later on. 445. Bullet east of the Golden Gate Bridge. Said I'll see you.
All right, Bullet Bob. Take care out there. Hey, till we do it again, Bullet Bob, 445 Radio Man said I'll see you. Bye.
Once again, bye, Radio Man. Bye, Radio Man. I'll see you.